information society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Deepak Nikam and I am from TEB Computer Engineering Department from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Under PBL activity, me and my group members Payal Palve and Aishwarya Wagmore have completed a project on Python Telegram bot under the guidance of Professor Prakash Shirsagar of Computer Department. The name of our project is Python Telegram bot, which has automated chatbot and newsbot. It is AI featured. The aim of our project is to create automated chatbot for college students and newsbot according to their search with the help of API key from BotFather on Telegram application. This is our project block diagram. The Python Telegram bot contains two bots, chatbot and newsbot. We are going to show you the introduction, platform and programming language, features and application. Introduction. Bots are simply Telegram accounts operated by software, not people, and they'll often have AI features. They can do anything: teach, play, search, broadcast, remind, connect, integrate, and with other services, or even pass commands to the Internet of Things. BotFather. BotFather is a universal automation framework developed by some European students. BotFather was initially created to compete with other CS students in creating bots for casual games. Since then, it has been extended to allow the automation of Android, browser, and desktop apps. Chatbot. An SMS chatbot or a text bot is a software tool that automatically responds and sends text messages to users who communicate with the chatbot. A text bot can help to create an interactive marketing channel that improves customer communication, send mass text messages, improves customer conversion rate, and more. Newsbot. Any of various pieces of software designed to harvest articles from news groups or from other news websites. This bot can act as a smart newspaper, sending you relevant content as soon as it is published. Platform and programming language used. We use the Telegram application and the Python language from PyCharm edition. The steps for creating a Telegram bot are as below. Open the Telegram app, search for BotFather. Using newsbot command, we created our bot and assigned it the name Zeor. For running the bot, we used Python, PyCharm 3.9 as platform, using Python Telegram bot package and also some other modules and packages. By applying commands, bot started working. When users join the bot, they are able to access timetable, notes, PDFs, etc. They will get an automatic reply. If the bot wants to send some contents without disturbing the code, using set inline command with BotFather, bot can send it anytime. Users can also share if it is enabled by bot permission. The recent messages can be retrieved with the update ID with offset. The website is given below. The website for creating account is also as below. It is https://newsapi.org. It's a free service for developers. A key will be generated which can be sent in the URL or inside the headers. Features. Automated chats are replied. News are detected automatically through worldwide according to our internet. AI features, more settings can be done. The website is given below. Different bots are prepared like payment bot, gaming bot. Developers can prepare any bot using API key from BotFather. The applications are as follows. We need not scroll for any information to find out. Just type one word and the information is there. Also, the news bot provides information on any topic we type. We can get any information available in the group very quickly. The future scope is as follows. Chatbots growing up fast for banks. Banking bots are already evolving, and the way they will work will change fast too. Instead of getting a text message saying customers are overdrawn, a chat could pop up and offer a series of immediate resolution to the problem, helping the customer understand the ramifications of each. The chatbot as a future agent for realtor and customer. Chatbots are already respected by the industry for providing a 24 by 7 service, being available after closing time and through holidays. As customer circumstances change, a chatbot can help answer questions. Chatbot landscape for the health sector. Globally, healthcare is a market under huge pressure, with automation high on the list of CIO and CTO issues to deal with growing demand and constrained resources. Below, we provide a practical look at the chatbot opportunities for those in the health sectors, helping professionals maximize their time and patients save theirs across 2020 and beyond. I would like to thank Zeal Institutes for providing guidance for the successful completion of our project.